My name is Eric Rutledge. I am a lawyer and practice law in North Vancouver.
This is the second video I've done with Eric Rutledge, a lawyer. In this video, he talks about templates and starter kits. To me, they seem like a good option for a small business starting up.
There are on the market a number of kits for do-it-yourself kits if you want to get a divorce or incorporate a company or do a will. And many of the people, a number of my clients come in with them half done, and they just do not know the options that they have, or if they're making the right choice. They don't understand the law, and it ends up being more time consuming than if they'd seen a lawyer in the first place.
I'd like to point out that if Eric's seeing someone, it's probably because they have a problem. I'm assuming he doesn't meet too many people who have done it successfully themselves.
To me, it seems cheaper usually to get a lawyer to do these kind of things if you don't know much about it. Otherwise, you spend a lot of time and you never know if you've done it right, and you probably haven't.
Yeah, how do you know if you've done it right?
I'm sure there's people out there that have taken their time and done it, and probably have an accountant or a lawyer that helps them along, or a financial advisor that sort of steers them along, and it may get done right. Templates are dangerous. You don't know if it's a good one or a bad one. You know if it's got everything in it. Most contracts look good because you don't know what they're missing. It's usually the things that are not in the contract that are the problem more than what's in it. So I would say people do that. They bring me in templates and ask me to check it over for them, But it's easier to start from scratch and do one.
I can appreciate how Eric says that sometimes starting from scratch is easier. When I edit footage that was shot by someone else, first off, I don't know if that footage is even good, and secondly, I don't know what that person had in mind when they're shooting that footage. So sometimes I find it easier and cheaper to reshoot that footage and start from scratch. Now for templates and starter kits, I think whether or not it fits for you depends on a couple things. First off, how much business knowledge do you have? Can you read legalese? And how much information or how much knowledge do you have on that particular subject area? Secondly, how complicated is your situation? And to figure that out, ironically, sometimes means talking to a lawyer. Don't fret though, because a lawyer sometimes they'll give a free consultation for 30 minutes to an hour, or other times, if you get a referral through a legal society, you can get the first 30 minutes or half an hour at a discount. So it doesn't have to be expensive to get that opinion before you decide to DIY. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.